Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Philodendron Pink Princess, a captivating and unique plant variety that adds a burst of color and charm to your indoor jungle. But before we dive into the radiant beauty of Pink Princess, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. What makes the Philodendron Pink Princess truly special is its stunning variegation. The foliage of this plant is characterized by vibrant pink, blush, or reddish hues that contrast beautifully with the deep green parts of the leaves. This striking coloration can vary from plant to plant, adding an element of surprise for collectors. The variegation patterns create a captivating and visually appealing display, making it a sought-after choice among plant enthusiasts. To successfully cultivate Philodendron Pink Princess, it's essential to provide the right growing conditions. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. It prefers well-draining potting mix and should be watered moderately, allowing the soil to partially dry out between waterings. Maintaining moderate humidity levels and providing good air circulation will also benefit its growth. Pink Princess philodendrons are well suited for indoor cultivation. They thrive in moderate to bright indirect light conditions and are relatively low maintenance, making them a great choice for both experienced and novice plant keepers. Their adaptability to indoor environments, along with their eye-catching appearance, has contributed to their popularity as a houseplant. It's important to note that the Pink Princess philodendrons are currently known for their rarity and can be challenging to find due to their high demand among plant keepers. Its vibrant foliage and relatively low maintenance make it a popular choice for plant lovers. If you found this exploration as enchanting as we did, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of plants on our channel. And thank you for joining us on our journey through the world of plants. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your plant collection flourish, and may your Philodendron Pink Princess grace your indoor space with its radiant beauty and unique charm. Farewell and happy gardening.